Wow, that treetop.
Alright.
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Ready, set, go.
Oh!
Epic fail.
Shut up.
She's beating
How'd you know I was talking about you? Hey,
Hey, you screwed up.
Way off.
I'm gonna screw up. Oh, thanks, guys. Totally lost me on that one. I still lost because of that. That was cheap.
She was kicking your butt anyway.
So? Don't say that. You're not supposed to think negative. Well, if I'm thinking negative, I'm losing.
Negative. I'm positive she was kicking your butt.
Oh, thanks.
Not being negative, I was being positive.
Ah! I lost! I can't see. No, fine. Back up. You're strong.
Got it.
I can't do anything. Will you quit throwing them upside down? I totally lost. I have nothing.
Okay, count 'em.
She won.
Either way, count 'em.
Oh, it's starting to come this
Can I keep for the extras?
No.
Jelly.
50.
I was cheap. I don't know. I didn't even count. I was about that. Okay.